Number 1 is Kota. Nagmamadali. Lays the rob is good. 7-3. Baba sa apat ang kalamangan. St. Joseph. Coros. Downtown. Short. Black basketball. Last 2 minutes. De Mayo. Nagmamadali. Bump. What a nice shot. Is good. 2 points. Creating space. 7-5. Baba sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng St. Joseph. 1 minute and 35 shots remaining time. Nice pass number 29. Lunch shot is good. 2 points. 1 and 25 seconds. Wala. Put back. Huling-huli yan. Same ball tayo. 1 minute and 17 seconds. Tabi. Jumper. Short.